Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we're going to talk about circles. The circle shown has a circumference of 36 pi. The length of minor arc AB is x pi. What is the value of x? It asked us. So let's see the information first. 36 pi and x pi is given in the question already. And then we have shown 60 degrees. And what we all know is that a whole circle is 360 degrees. So these are the informations we got. X pi is over here. So what we're gonna do now is 60 degrees divided by 360 degrees equals to x pi over 36 pi. We simplify this fraction, which is 1 over 6 equals to x pi over 36 pi. The pi's cancel each other out as always. And then what we got left is 1 over 6 equals to x over 36. Now we're going to do a cross multiplication. 36 times 1 is 36 equals to 6 times x is 6x. So now we're gonna divide both sides by 6. So x equals to 6. This is the solution to the given question. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.